right, boys, next up, Bill Belichick. Let's see, 3rd in wins all time. Nice. Most divisional championships as a head coach. So impressive. Most playoff appearances as a head coach. Crazy. Most playoff wins as a head coach. Jesus. Most Super Bowl appearances as a head coach. Damn. And most Super Bowl wins as a head coach. Yeah, this guy might just be the GOAT. I know, right? Seriously. Unfortunately, he's got a smoking hot girlfriend who is way hotter than our ugly wives. And for that reason and that reason only, Bill Belichick will not be a first ballot Hall of Famer. Sorry, Bill. Shouldn't have dated such a baddie, Bill. His real name's William.